How to fix your page is not available? Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. While opening Windows Security in Windows 11, you might guess this error popping up, which is because of multiple reasons. It could be because of different network connection or different kind of security. So in order to get it solved, let's try two of the best solution. The very first one is to disable other third-party securities. If you have installed any of such third-party security software, make sure to disable it and uninstall. After that, you can try to access the IT administrator privilege for the page again. However, if you have not installed any of such third-party securities, the other way out would be changes on the registry editor. You have to run some commands which is given on the description box one by one. For that, first of all, you have to open command prompt and run it as administrator. Make sure to copy each of this command and paste it on a command prompt. This will now delete the additional security permissions and let you access any of the page. Once this is done, make sure to restart your computer and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.